Good morning, students. Today, property triangle inequality. Okay, for any two complex numbers z1 and z2, we have z modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus z1 plus modulus z2. Once again, listen. For any two complex numbers z1 and z2, we take two complex numbers. Okay, any two complex numbers. The triangle inequality is listen modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus z1 plus modulus z2. This is triangle inequality statement. Okay. Now we are going to prove it. Okay. Using modulus z1 plus z2 whole square. We take modulus of z1 plus z2 whole square. How do you write modulus z1 plus z2 whole square? Since modulus z square, this is equal to z into z bar. Here z means z1 plus z2. Okay, you understand? You imagine z equal to z1 plus z2. Okay, now we are going to write z into z bar. Here z means z1 plus z2 and z bar. That is z1 plus z2 whole bar. Are you understand? Z square modulus z square equal to z bar. This is z. This is z. This is z bar. Okay. Okay. Now the second step z1 plus z2 into z1 bar plus z2 bar. Are you understand? Because z modulus z1 plus z2 whole bar. This is equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. So we write z1 bar plus z2 bar. Okay, now the next step they are going to multiplying. Ordinary multiplication. Okay, z1 into z1 bar. Next z1 into z2 bar. Okay, here. Next z2 into z1 bar and z2 into z2 bar. Okay, this is ordinary multiplication is finished. Next z1 bar here. Okay, z2 bar, there is no change, but in center z1 bar, here z1 bar z2. How do you change? Listen, first we write z1 into z2 bar. The second step z1 bar z2, but we are going to write z1 z2 bar the whole bar, because z bar the whole bar equal to z. Do you understand? Once again listen. Here z1 bar z2. How do you write? z1, here we write z1 z2 bar the whole bar. So we split the bar z1 bar and z2 bar whole bar. Okay, z2 bar whole bar. z1 bar, here is z1 bar. Okay, z1 bar is there. z2 bar whole bar, that is the here z bar whole bar equal to z. So what is this answer? This is only z2. So z1 bar z2 is there. So we write z1 z2 bar the whole bar. Are you understand? Okay. Next, what is the answer? z1 bar. Here listen, modulus z square equal to z bar. So we how do you write? Modulus z1 square. Okay, here also the same answer, modulus z2 square. Modulus z2 square. Okay, first we change z1 bar. This is equal to modulus z1 square. z2 bar, this is equal to modulus z2 square. In center, you listen, you imagine z1 z2 bar, this is equal to z. Then what is this? You imagine what is it? This is like, let z1 bar is z. You consider this is z. Then what is this? Very good. This is z bar. This is what? Z bar. So here Z plus Z bar. Okay. Okay. Now the next step. Listen. Modulus Z1 square. I already told you. Modulus Z2 square. This is also I told you. Okay. Now in center we have Z plus Z bar. What is the formula? 2 into real part of Z. So we write 2 into real part of, this is we consider Z. Okay. This is our Z. Okay. Z plus Z bar. 2 into real part of Z. So we write 2 into real part of, here Z is what? Z1, Z2 bar. Okay. Okay, the next step, real part of Z is less than or equal to modulus Z. I already told you in the properties of the modulus of complex number. Do you remember? Okay, here real part of Z. So modulus Z1 square, there is no change. Modulus Z2 square, there is no change. In center, we have 2 into real part of Z. This is equal to modulus Z, less than or equal to modulus Z. So we write the equal to symbol to less than or equal to symbol, and 2 into real part of Z. So 2 into modulus Z. Next we split the modulus symbol. Okay. How do you change? Modulus Z1 square, there is no change. Modulus Z2 square, there is no change. 2 into modulus Z1, modulus Z2 bar. But modulus Z2 bar, here modulus Z equal to modulus Z bar. So we write only modulus Z. Okay. Okay, in left hand side we have modulus Z1 plus Z2 whole square less than or equal to, this is what is the formula for modulus Z1 square? 2 into modulus Z1 modulus Z2 and modulus Z2 square. This is algebraic formula. Likely which formula? Yes, very good. A square plus 2AB plus B square, that is equal to A plus B whole square. Yes. So modulus Z1 plus Z2 whole square less than or equal to modulus Z1 modulus Z2 whole square. Taking positive square root on both sides, we get the answer, that is triangle inequality. Modulus Z1 plus Z2 is less than or equal to modulus Z1 plus modulus Z2. The proof is enough. Okay. Are you understand? Once again, I repeat it. We are going to prove triangle inequality. Modulus Z1 plus Z2 is less than or equal to modulus Z1 plus modulus Z2. But we using the modulus of Z1 plus Z2 whole square. This is equal to likely Z bar. So this is Z, this is Z bar. And we split the Z bar, Z1 plus Z2 bar. Okay. Now the ordinary multiplication is occur here. Okay. Z1, Z1 bar, Z1, Z2 bar, Z1 bar, Z2, Z2, Z2 bar. First and last there is no change. Okay. The in center we have Z1, Z2 bar, and we are going to write Z1 bar, Z2. This is equal to Z1, Z1 bar, the whole bar. Okay. Now you consider this is Z and this is Z bar. So Z plus Z bar, what is the formula? 2 less than or equal to, listen, Z plus Z bar is equal to 2 into real part of Z, and next step, less than or equal to real part of Z is less than or equal to modulus Z. So we write 2 into modulus Z1 Z2 bar. And first and last, here modulus Z1 square, modulus Z2 square. Next, we split the modulus symbol. That is 2 into modulus Z1, modulus Z2. Now, what is the formula here? Here A plus B whole square formula appear. So we write modulus z1 plus z2 whole square. This is less than or equal to modulus z1 plus modulus z2 whole square. Taking positive square root on both sides, we get the answer modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to modulus z1 plus modulus z2. The proof is finished. Are you understand? Okay, thank you.